Yun 'no, nakarating din. Pero ano nga ba ang meron dito sa Camptipolo?
Camptipolo Adventureland is a 12-hectare resort nestled within the Laurelland Farm Resort in Antipolo City, Philippines. It's a prime spot for team building events, family outings, and nature enthusiasts seeking a break from the urban grind. Activities and amenities. The camp offers a variety of outdoor activities designed to foster teamwork and camaraderie. Obstacle courses, features like the Tarzan jump, balancing log, balancing bridge, tightrope, low ropes extreme, Bossom bridge, U bridge, monkey bars, and spider web challenge participants both mentally and physically. Mudslide. For those looking to get down and dirty, the mudslide provides a fun and exhilarating experience. Rice field and fishing area. Guests can immerse themselves in traditional Filipino farming by planting rice or enjoy fishing in the tilapia and hito-filled ponds. Ulog House, an authentic Ifugao house transported from Banaue in 2005, offering a glimpse into indigenous Filipino architecture and culture. Team building packages. For groups aiming to strengthen bonds, the camp provides tailored team building programs. Pure Team Building Day Tour. From 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., this package includes access to all team building facilities and common areas. Guests can opt for a day tour with meals, AM snack, lunch, PM snack, at 1,655 per person or without meals at 900 per person. Location. Camptipolo Adventureland is situated within the Laurelland Farm Resort at CTTO Laurelland, Burgee, San Roque, Antipolo City, Philippines, 1870. Whether you're aiming to build stronger team dynamics, enjoy a family retreat, or simply reconnect with nature, Camp Tipolo Adventureland offers a diverse range of activities and facilities to ensure a memorable experience.